what we want to work on today. Alrighty, we have Restream, which is a cute little platform apparently. Does this show how many viewers I have or some crap? I guess so, right? Still not. Okay. Yeah, let's edit this stuff. Of course, it doesn't work like that. Integrating with placement transform. With checkpoints. Yeah, something like that. This is what we want to do. This website is cool. Alrighty, so before I even start, I will actually some other project I've worked on. I've split, so I have this VRE library, and then I made like the video part a separate library that it depends on, and I tried my best to minimize the dependencies. So now I depend on VRE video, which I own, and VRE video itself depends on very little stuff. It uses FmpEg as well, but so you need to have that installed. I probably need to say that somewhere. Yeah, what I think about it. Dependencies. If you want to use the standard video reader writer, yeah, I guess if you don't have a FmpEg, then you're on your own. Now the good part is that this library is so popular, like it's probably not that hard, and you need to add it to the setup, or maybe not. Maybe not. I think this is something that the user has to do because it's not easy to do it cross-platform, but maybe it's easier to just install it on your own. Yeah. So let's just add this. That's it. Dependencies added. Yeah, so one thing that you can do with this library, let's hope it doesn't like mess too much with my okay, it doesn't, so OBS doesn't take that much. You can do crap like this. You can go code, ML, or video representations, extractors, example, VLS treatment. can do stuff like this. Just play. So you have a bunch of CFGs. So by default you can just show the video. So this environment. So you can just stream it. So this just goes through the video. It is just actually nothing. It just reads the video and shows it to you. So this is basically piping the data. It actually reads stuff now. I loaded the wrong one, so it's just this one. So this will do nothing in Smart. It will just like read the video and show it to you once every 100 frames. Like I read 100 frames, so that's why it stops. This is I didn't know how to do the caching better. It's also like the resolution is messed because I resize it. I assume that it should be like two representations here, not just one, so I don't have any smart way of handling that yet, though it shouldn't be that hard. It's also interesting that I read 100 frames, but like every time it adds one here, it's like it blocks it. Yeah, so maybe I actually read 101 frames. Anyways, but if you have, I also have the safe VRE one, which pipes through the semantic segmentation network that I trained, and yeah, it's not as fast. It's just 8 frames per second now. It's not 30 or more. I think it's even more. I just limited to 30 because that's how fast the video is. How fast the video is. You can see like this one is cute because it like pipes through the semantic segmentation pretty naturally. Okay, if I right click, it pauses. Wow. And yeah, I'm thinking about using this stuff to like stream. So the RGBs should be red, like sent from a live video feed. I need to get like a webcam or something. Maybe that's a nice idea. I get like a webcam, because the webcam on this laptop doesn't work. What is fine, I can buy a webcam. All I want connected. I mean, I have all my USB slots used. I have 3 USB-C slots. One is for power charging. One is for the keyboard, and it's for the mouse. So I will probably need to make like a USB-C switch or something like that, like USB-C switch. I need to get something like this, a switch. So it exists, okay. Yeah, so maybe like 3 of them just to be extra safe. So I want something that like gives me options. Okay, is this it? Whoa, this is a wireless switch? Can I make my shit wireless? Yeah, think about this, but maybe this is the UI. Just make my shit wireless. Look at it. But now I need to handle batteries. But maybe it's not that bad. Yeah, let's do some shopping. Yeah, let's do a bunch of shopping. So sun is funny. So okay, so you get a 1 meter cable here. Oh, this is not what I want. I want to switch. I understand, like 5 of them. Okay, so this has like a bunch of USB ports. Okay. I think this is kind of what I need. Okay, so you can even have like a UTP kind of thing here. You can have like, yeah, but I only have like 2 of these. I want more USB-C. Everything is USB-C now. It's just too little USB-C. Like, look, it's just 1 USB-C and like 100. Okay, it's 2 USB-Cs. No, it's 1, and 1 is for charging. I think this is too little. I want more USB-C and less USB, maybe. Nice thing is that I can buy this even today, but probably not today. But this shop is very close to me. It's like 10 minutes walk. It's just really like a physical shop. Maybe they don't have it on the physical shop, but I can just order it at least. It's a bit tempting. I mean, I'm not a hoarder, but I don't know, it's tempting. Hub USB-C. Just want a nice USB-C hub, right? Want it to have at least 4 stars, right? So I just want it to be nice. This is interesting also. Okay, it has like 2 USB-Cs. It's something with at least 3 USBs. I just want to get rid of all of them. I want everything to plug in one place and be done with it. Because I have, or maybe this is good, because like my current mouse setup is also a bit fucked. It goes from, I think this may actually be good. Alright, let's try to look again at this stuff. Why is this like so much more expensive than the other one? Well, this bad boy. Alright, so I think it's the same. This one just has like all these amazing options. No USB-C, just a charging one. You can have a jack too. Okay, but maybe I don't jack. 4 USB, 1 USB, 2 USB-C, 1 USB. Yeah. Maybe this bad boy is the right amount, because I have like so it's 4 USB, 1 USB 3, so it's 5 USBs. I think this is the USB, yeah. 2 USB-C, so no charging here. I actually want something. No, maybe not. Maybe charging makes no sense. This goes to a unified one here, which can be both. I think this is perfect, right? Because I can put like my my mouse here. I can put my keyboard here, but I can also put like a webcam or anything in one of these, as long as it's USB, and it should be USB. Yeah, I think this is perfect. All right, it's just 69. Is this in the physical shop? Can I get it from the physical shop? Monday. Can I get anything from the physical shop? No, everything is for Monday. You know what? Let's see if there's anything in the physical shop. I kind of just want to buy it today. I just put this here. It needs to be here. Oh, this is my physical shell. I have anything that's like available. 4 USB, 4 USB, there's no USB-C. Okay. Which one did I say? This one? Alright. Throw the other ones. So this one has a bunch more crap. This one has for sure a bunch more crap. Okay. It has less USB regular. It still has like, it has the same amount of USB regular. Just has one USB-C. This one is the only one with 2 USB-Cs. To be honest, I like the idea of having something that I can physically connect to, because I have this Jetson, which I cannot use because its Wi-Fi is fucked. So I need to connect to it through the network somehow. It's just I cannot do it at the moment. Because again, my laptop doesn't have a one of this. And this one has like 2 USB-Cs, but you see one of it is not an actual USB-C. It's something else. So it's a power thing, power delivery port. So let's ask ChatGPT. It's a power delivery port, power delivery charging port. I have a USB hub with one USB-C and one this thing. That also is a USB-C plug. Can I use it to connect my mouse instead of charging? On what type? PD plus data, which is not true. This is like, I think this is still fine because I can still connect. I can connect my mouse and my keyboard, which is what I care about. And additionally, I can connect all this other crap, which I don't really care about. So I think this one is it's just better, and it's Monday kind of thingy. All right. Now let's see. Can I get like a webcam USB-C? Okay, this looks complicated already. Maybe I'm overcomplicating my life. What if I use my phone for this, or my old phone? I use my old phone to stream. It's a question. For sure, it's a question. So it's an interesting question. So the question is, can I use my phone to get live feeds? I actually did right now. So I have a USB to USB-C to USB. Actually, I can just unplug my keyboard. Alright, so I unplug my keyboard and I'm plugging my phone. So I have to use my laptop keyboard, which sucks. Let's see, because I have here in options, tag more options. I remember I have a look. So I have webcam. Does this work? What's the chance of this working? Alright, webcam. tap to configure your web. No, I clicked the wrong button. Alright, so question is, does this work? Can I stream this stuff? Let me press this button, or it's just me? Alright. Because I can use my older phone if this works. Okay, so is it still working or did I break it? It definitely does not work. Something broke here. What broke? Index error. Alright, that looks interesting. So in theory I connected, and I think I have this, it's called cheese. Alright, error, playing your shit. Is there anything here trying to, no, not really. Alright, tap to view and high quality mode, acknowledge. Can I use low quality mode? No, low quality. How do I, webcam service. This they say it works, but then I cannot see. So I think I was gonna do fit today, but apparently I'm just doing webcams. Alright. Sure. How do I Android phone connect as webcam? Linux. No. Droid cam. What? No. ADB. That's ADB. Android debug bridge. No, I don't want any of this, so device connected as webcam. Can I do this? Couldn't switch. Used before webcam. Yeah, how do I do that?
Dongle, so this is called devices. You will see here one option that to capture a photo also. You can see it is set. And on the above you will see some options here. Just click on it. Now here you can change the quality USB device as well as settings. So under the settings, you will see with Android smartphone.
Links. Droid cam. Everybody is using Droid cam apparently. Sure. I don't want necessarily Droid cam. I want more like a live feed kind of thing. Should I just try Droid cam? Because maybe it works. So there's an IP kind of thing over there. So it streams over the internet. Actually, it doesn't. Droid. Let's try Droid cam. It's not. Droid. Cannot type on this keyboard. Cache search. All right, Droid cam. If you this is what I want. Droid cam. Let's see. Sudo apt install. Oh, it is installed in TMP. Oh, good. Pro Droid cam client. Hello. All right. Click to add a device. Refresh device. All right, because it doesn't. Okay, let's try to download it here on Android too. Android. How do I Google Play? Okay, so we'll try to download Droid cam. Droid cam, there you go. There's a bunch of them. Droid cam classic, Droid cam OBS, Droid cam HD, which costs, but the Droid cam webcam doesn't cost. So I'll just use the Droid cam webcam. And thank you for downloading. Blah 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 blah. Got it. Allow. Don't allow. Permission error. Fuck you. Permissions. What permissions do you want? Wait. Open. Don't allow. Permission error. It wants to use notifications, really. Alright, allow. Open. Okay, it wants fucking notifications, otherwise it wouldn't open. It's incredible. Interesting. So I can access it through the Wi-Fi. Interesting. So it's like video. No, I want to access it through viewing ads. No. It's not this. It's just. How do I use this droid cam thing with I want to use with USB, right? So droid cam Android USB basically is what I want. How do I can understand this, but USB debugging. Settings, developer options. Okay, so I need to do that. See that that's a good starting point. Debugging. Wireless debugging. No, I want USB debugging. Developer options. What? There's no developer options. Settings, developer options. Alright, USB debugging. Pixel. Okay, we need to go to about. Build number several times. What the fuck? Where is the okay? 3, 4, 5. Alright, I became a fucking developer. I clicked enter your pin. Really? Alright, I'm a developer now. Holy shit. Nice. What can I do now? Can I do the USB debugging now? Let's see. USB debugging, there you fucking go. And it's turned off. USB debugging is intended for development. Use it to copy data, blah 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 blah. Okay, cool. Allow USB debugging. Sure, yes. Cool, so USB debugging is turned on right now. Great, that's all. Great, so that means okay, USB debugging, blah 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 blah. Droid cam PC, connect over USB, so refresh. Ooh, there you fucking go. Alright, cool. So how do I do the thing? I start the cam. No, I start the droid cam. New app. There you fucking go. No, wait, what? Fuck you, I want a new app. I want this app. This app is good. Okay, And how do I stream my crap? Okay, let's watch an ad. No, I don't want that though. I just want. Holy shit! It gives me a 1 minute ad. No, I don't want. Okay, I don't want anymore. Never mind. I gave up on the thing. Okay, started the app again. Device cancel. Droid cam OBS. Download OBS to use the plugin. Can I use cheese? Because I don't want this droid thing. This is too complicated. I want something else. So can I use cheese is the first question. Oh I was alt tabbing on the wrong keyboard. Can I use cheese? So alright, let's try with the other thing. Okay, I downloaded the second thing. Droid cam. Continue. The PC to use your phone as a webcam. Download blah blah blah. No. Okay. Cool. Okay, I get it. While using yes. Allow notifications. I understand. Data collection options. Don't really. Don't want this actually. I don't want any of it. Holy shit, so many options. Okay. There is no disable all kind of crap. Just need to. Oh, so many. Okay. I think I deleted everything. Alright, so it started something, and the question is, yeah, but I want it via USB. That's what I care about. I care about the USB thing. Okay, so I have a bunch of options here. Still cannot connect it. I don't know why. How do I connect it? Oh, great thing over there. Wait. Oh, there you go. Holy shit. Wait, discard. It works. It's smaller than my actual screen, which is interesting. Like, this is smaller than my actual screen. Wait, is it? No, it's just resized. It's not smaller. It's cool. Using droidcam.app. There you go. I'm using droidcam. Nice. Why is it so hard? Okay, so is this true? How does it work? It's clearly working. I'll give it that. So it works, right? Just need to put something here so it stays. Okay, so maybe let's see myself. Normal tab, no. Of front? Oh my god, it's just two of them. I press the button, it doesn't auto switch. Alright, so this is me. I have a webcam. Something webcam. And now the problem with this is, okay, besides the fact it's discharging my phone, because it's not also charging as far as I can see. Where is it charging? Oh, it's charging? I think it's charging. Oh, great. So it's also charging. Cool. So I can do this setup with my old phone. So my old phone can act as a webcam, basically. Now the problem I have with this is that I don't like the fact that it's using OBS crap. I want to connect to it somehow. So how do I connect to it? Well, I want to use cheese or whatever else other tool is there. Yeah, I want to use this bad boy. How do I use this? I have Droid Cam on Linux and on my phone. I can use the Linux client to stream, but I want to use more native tools like cheese or getting the raw feed from the device in my Linux laptop. How do I? My phone is connected with. How do I get the raw stream? Yeah, basically you'll need to create a video for Linux loopback device and pipe the stream into it. Correct. So let's see, ADB devices. Alright, so there is one device over there. Cool. Is there a dev video kind of thing over here? Super video device. So why did it give it to me as stupid? Okay, so I install the Droid client. This is what I also, maybe not. IP webcam is kind of shit. Kind of. What? Droid cam V4L2. Yeah, I have this Droid cam. No, I don't have it. What the fuck did I install here? I installed the Droid cam for noobs, but I want the Droid cam for bosses. Install client. Sudo. Bro, what the fuck? What the fuck kind of crap is this? Make? Oh. So many of them. Also. The Droid cam CL I want. Let's try a stupider approach. Is there like a release? Because obviously he isn't telling you how to install. There's a chance of stuff being in here. It's the same. Make file. This is the same thing. Right. Maybe I'm going somewhere with all this stuff. Ooh, there you go. I have Droid Cam CLI. Nice. Okay, so I have Droid Cam CLI. USB. Connect via ADB to Android device. Is this what I need to do? I think so. ADB port. ADB. What was ADB list? ADB devices. Okay, so if I do this, ADB this, permission denied. Fatal. Blah blah blah. Try. Unable to query. Specify a different video device. Yeah, I want that, but it's not like this thing is helping me. Okay, so I can use -dev equals the video 1, because I think video 0 is taken. Yeah. It doesn't work. Options need to be before. Why are they making it so hard? Unable to determine video device format, unable to query. What the fuck? Let's see. This is also interesting. Mod Pro. I need to mod probe my crap. Video number. I'm just copy pasting stuff right now. Okay. Oh, it's still the mental crap. Video 8. All of them are that. Can I just I put it on 10? Why is it more complicated than I hoped for? Okay, I'll try something else, which I think... So if the fact that this works is a bit annoying. Like, how the fuck... Why does this work? How does it know where to get my shit from? Like, it just gets it. Holy shit. Fucking droid cam. What about... Is this working? So let's try something stupid. So I have this droid cam. It's already running. Where is it running, man? What? Where is it running? Oh, it actually was running. Wait, if I kill this, it doesn't work anymore? No. Exit. It actually doesn't work anymore. It needs to be on. This is interesting as fuck. What? How the fuck does this even work? P2P is this what it needs to be? If I change it, let's say start this crap. Does it not work anymore? It does work. Okay, so this works. It's just stop. Let's try that. This is a lot of magic that I make. So yeah, let's try that crap. One or two. Is this working? It actually works. Holy shit. Ah, the remote control. I just want the video. Okay, I just want the thing. What is this droid cam CLI crap? Okay, so let's close this. Let's try with the droid cam CLI. Connect. Oh, maybe this is why I couldn't connect because I was already connected to it. Oh. Listen on port for connections. how the do I connect? How do I make a thing? This is incredible, actually. Yeah, you need to get over the installing crap, otherwise you're not gonna make it, basically. Kernel headers for this kernel does not seem to be installed. I think I need to okay. Done. Kernel? What? But they are, aren't they? Oh, it's OM. What the fuck's an OM? Alright, can I just before I installing here. Let's hope that's something good. Oh, there you go. I have cool. So I have that now. I don't know what I installed, to be honest. Alright, if I do that, can't parse device, bro. Can't parse device. What? Alright, the 10. Can't parse. Oh, it's 9. What the fuck did it input? Oh, it's 9. It totally does not work. This last part doesn't work. Able to query V4L for correct params. Droid. Exclusive caps. Can't parse device. What the fuck does that mean? kind of crap is this? Straight up does not work. How is StraightCam able to do it? What's this scratched cake? Yeah, just install everything. Huh? What's app indicator, man? Just swipe it. Am I installing here? Okay. I don't know if this is going to break my system or not. This is StraightCam. Permission denied. Super StraightCam. What is the command to see the things? Oh, it was I did it here. There's a command to select the things. No, it's not here. What the fuck? This way. It's on a different terminal. It's on this one. List devices there. And Windows help. Wait, no, what? I did it, but I didn't want to do it. Which StraightCam? Yeah, I wanted this guy. How does this work and the other one doesn't? Dev 10. What? Have a different one? Yes. I have like 2 of them. And if I start another one, it just starts another one, or what? Is this how it works? Yeah, it just works. Can I cut from it? I kinda can. Cheese. Help. Oh. There is a. Whoa. 9. Wait, maybe the problem is because this is the OBS crap. Wait, let me try the other app. Yes, connection limited. Kill it with fire. I don't want the OBS. I don't know. I just don't want the OBS. I want the standard one. Wait, so I have this. Alright, like slash video. Maybe I think this is where I messed up. Can parse device. Ah, this is so stupid. Okay, great. I did it. Droid can connect. 0, 3. right currency alignment font. Oh, this is fine. I can live with this if I can set my fucking. Oh, this is terrible. Oh, there you fucking go. Like, who created my fucking virtual cam? Oh, this is. Oh, there you go. Okay, great. So we have that. Now let's create this. If I say video number 0, it gives me video number 9. I'll live with it. Alright, cool. And then, okay, cool. So I did that. And then I should connect with road. Okay. Like this is just video. it's not like that. Probably needs to be ADB. Success. Connection reset. Makes no sense. Does it need to be with the other crap? That's fine. Yeah, we need to do this thing also, right? Oh, there you go. It worked. Alright. Okay, so it works on the IP, not on USB. Oh, it's fine, I guess. Okay, so I have it here. That means hopefully I can use cheese now. Victory. Fucking A. Holy shit, this took a million years. This took like a million, billion, bajillion years. There you go. Cool. So now let's see if I can finally pipe it through FFmpeg. Actually not FFmpeg, but rather through the streaming crap. Amazing. Oh, amazing. Cool, 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 cool. Alicia?
Da,
Ce faci?
făceam un pic curat.
Mai în seara ce am făcut? O secundă așa? Okay, so we are back. So what I'm trying to do now is I want to use a older phone which I have, which doesn't really have a good display, but I think it has a good webcam, which is what I care about. Problem is its display is so bad that I don't know if I can use it. Which Droid candidate is the classic one? Don't know. Alright, okay, it downloads. Just gonna install both of them just to be super safe. So it barely works. Let's put it like that. It's got a broken display, but I think it's got a decent webcam. I think I need to do the debugging thing too. Alright, it's called Harmony OS. What's it buying?
Enable dual.
About phone. Where is about phone? Yeah, but what version of Harmony OS is this? Oh god. Alright, cool, you are now a developer, great. There you fucking go, USB-D. Cool, so I think I can use this other phone finally. Took a while. Alright. It barely works. Let's see. So let's try to do the same setup as before. So it needs to be not that. It is dark droid cam, I think. All right. Thank you. Constant. All right, so there's no device. All right. Okay, I think I briefly remember what was the issue with this phone. Oh. Transfer files maybe? It doesn't. Oh, unauthorized. Alright. Authorized. I don't know what unauthorized means. Or if it's charging. Why is it unauthorized? Okay, now I think it should be authorized. There you go. Cool. So you got this. Transfer files. Question is it charging? That's I think quite important, because if it's not charging, it's just going to die in like very fast, basically. Don't know if it's charging. How do I even get to close? Battery. Charging. Okay, so I think it thinks it's charging. Cool. And I think I have droid cam. Meaning probably I can do the same as before, which is this crap. Connection refused. Might be busy with another client. Oh. That's true. There's a chance of this working. Reattach the client. something. Very well. Okay. Cool. Well, this works somehow. It's not the best camera for sure, but apparently it kind of works. So let's see how do I even put it here. Can I switch to myself? What the fuck did I do? Why can't I switch? Yeah, I don't know how to change this. There's a button here which I don't think I can press. Anyway, let's try to connect to it and then we can work around the limitations of the webcam of the phone. Even all this to keep this. Okay, so I put like a bottle. Alright, that means since that's connected, I should be able to do a bunch of things. So first of all, I should be able to 24747. Droid cam fair. Cool. So that's the thing over there. It's backwards. Okay. Problem is I cannot necessarily. I don't know how to change this thing. So I cannot press the button. Just like one. Can I restart? If I restart, I need to reconnect. Yeah, I think so. Oh, apparently I need to reconnect. It's a bit annoying because I cannot change the webcam, but I think it's fine. So yeah, this is the best I have so far. Let's try and put it here and work with it like this. It's more blurry for sure. It's not the best webcam, but it's what we have. Cool. Maybe I should document this somewhere. So let's see, how do I document this somewhere? Maybe I make like a new project somewhere. So let's do like others here. How do I call it? VRE webcam. Yeah, let's do it like VRE webcam. It's a bit annoying that my keyboard is not connected. I think I should. Okay, I got my mouse out and I'm connecting the keyboard. I think it's not it's not. I think I can do something. I've got a lot of wires. Making this a bit harder to manage than usually, but not impossible. I've had worse setups than this. Okay, so now I have my keyboard. I don't have a mouse anymore, but I have a trackpad, so that's fine. But I think a keyboard is more important than a mouse in this scenario. Alright, so let's make like a webcam stream. So let's document this stuff a bit. Right, so we have a readme file. Cool. We want to use a webcam or an Android device with camera to activate the webcam. And we want to read data from it and pass to PS3. Alright, Android webcam. In order to connect your Android device to a Linux box, you need the following: webcam non-obvious version from Google Play. Make your Android device enable USB plugin on your Android device. Droid cam non-obvious version. Alright. What else do I need? Let's go on Android. Android phone. Install ADB. How do I install ADB? Install Droid cam CLI. Good. I think I also need a F whatever Linux, or what is it called? Linux for webcam, L for something something. What's this crap? Install this crap. Like here maybe? I think I installed it from Ubuntu. Yeah, I think I installed it from here somehow. Okay, well, attach it. No, I don't think it's load it's kernel. We put picture to make sure it appears on our list. Potential output. Doesn't really care about your video option. It's alright. Start it. Oh, it's crap. Alright, cool. So far, so good. And then you have to connect to it. I think you need to do the ADB crap. Port forward. Connect to the Android webcam using HTTP. Connect to the Android device webcam using USB. Present get. and then you should be able to just do this. Copy IP from your device. I think you need sudo here. Do you need sudo? Can I just do this? Connection refused. Maybe you need permissions. Maybe you just need to restart it. Is this still sending crap? It is, if you close it, it dies. It's simple as that. Don't close it. Okay, cool. Cool, and then you can see it using cheese. Where is my cheese crap? Cheese is level 9. Okay, sudo over this. I don't need sudo. It's a bit slow, but it works. But slower than I expected. Holy shit. Wait, he didn't care about what I wrote there. I'll just test it with cheese. Start the Linux. It just doesn't work, so for some reason I don't know, invalid destination port 0, whatever the file is. But let's see, maybe ChatGPT can help us. Port. No, ADB devices. The fuck does this mean? ADB error invalid destination. Fuck. Test it works. Da, 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 da. Bro. I want to use the USB. Sure, let's connect. Fuck. Oh, this is terrible. ADB. Listen on port. I don't know why this doesn't work. Should work, doesn't work. Please reattach the device. I saw somewhere a connect. All right, cool. Okay, now let's do the same connect stream from the webcam to VRE streaming tool. Now we are here. Oh, good. Oh god. Connection refused. I think I need to restart it. Yep, need to restart it. It's here. Okay, so I have dev video 9, which is as good as I can get. So this slightly works. Okay, now how do I? Okay, cool. So an obvious question is, how do I make sure that VRE video works with this tool? I need to go back to VRE video. Everything goes back to VRE video, to be honest. If my VRE video works with YouTube, it should work with the device. So let's see how do I do that. Code others VRE video. So this is where it needs to happen. So VRE video works with video player. This works with a is this the right thing to do? Let's think a bit. I think so. Because this doesn't do very much, just wraps it. Don't like that it wraps it just because of this stuff here. It's paused. And when we pause this there, should be here. Yeah, well, the problem is I need to somehow have access to this crap. Yeah. Yeah, this is something I need to get rid of like fast. So to do get rid of this wrapper and make sure we only use a normal video here. I think I can do it. Just need to get rid of some functionality, especially like these two things. Current frame and is paused. So this stuff should go away. Shouldn't have access to video here. I don't need access to video. Self.video, frame shape, fair. So I have this is the queue. This is where I get stuff. Okay, I have access to the queue. And this is on a different thread, so they communicate through the queue. But the window should not necessarily have access to the video itself. The window should have access FPS multiplier to nothing. I want the video here. That's what I mean. Actually, the thing is, if this should be uploaded video, right? Nothing else. There's no video wrapper. So I shouldn't be able to write through it. There's no such thing as a current frame. This is the logic. yeah, I'm going over that tangent here. So I think only thing I care is this. Should get rid of this. This is what I care about. So theory, if I go here is if I do machine learning resources test video.mp4, this works acceptably well. Okay, so this can stream data for sure. The question is, I think ChatGPT can help me here. So cheese still works, right? Yeah, I still have stuff here. Can I connect it to OBS? Am I about to break my stream if I do that? I may just break my stream. I'm afraid of this, to be honest. Maybe not. Alright, so the question for ChatGPT is the following. Make me a Python code that reads from the video 9 webcam and outputs to matplotlib. I want to read CV9. No, don't use, don't use just buffer. Yoy. Yeah, I need to know what kind of set the video format. Okay, don't set the video format. What the fuck? This is much lower level than I wanted. Don't set the video format, but instead use FFmpeg. Can I be an FFmpeg wrapper all the way? Use FFmpeg to actually use play first. Okay, so does play work? How would it know? It works. Okay. Yeah, I think this is the right, and you do this, you need to know that crap. Yeah, I think this is exactly what I wanted. Just to be a FFmpeg wrapper is cool. Very good. Webcam. Yeah, being a FFmpeg wrapper is best thing. There you go. Absolutely. It's so slow. Alright, cool. But it works. So this is how I can get my shit. That means if I somehow click here, source. So my source can be a lot of stuff. Build frame later. Yeah, this stuff. And at some point I'm like a peg crap. I'm peg soy boy here. Start peg process. I think I need to be a different peg. Yeah, which peg are you today? Yeah, can I do that? So let's see if okay. If path source starts with name starts with dev video, return peg webcam frame reader, and it just need to be a webcam frame reader. Kind of need to copy paste from this bad boy. Paste webcam functionality from okay. Okay, data. Okay, very cool, very cool. I don't know what FPS stuff, maybe just ignore that. Build data, frames. It's just something that matters here. Yeah, fucking I need to start this bad boy. Import subprocess. Okay, I need to do self.start from peg data.shape data. Yeah, something like that, start from peg. Open pass with this get item. Yeah, basically it doesn't matter, just get item. Okay, so get item is basically just with height. Okay. Alright, so process that up, open. Alright, return book. Cool, with a frame rate here. Save the data. Cool, so this does this. Pipes. Okay, cool. So we don't have FPS, so it's just return. To be honest, FPS int equals 30, whatever. Alright. Cool. Get item. Should be this part here, so it's from buffer read. If not, return maybe not that. Set data. Get item is very simple. Don't control it. Return frame. Return zeros for self-process. Kind of. Alrighty, so it should be some crap like this. np.0, so return. Is this it? Len means 0. Dot shape. It's 0. Solution 0. This is with, so that is cool. I think this is the entire thing. Now let's see if it works. So that means I should be able in theory to do this. 0.9 didn't work. Question. The first question is it still working? Let's see. Cheese. It's still working. FF play. It's still. Wait, is it working? Kind of stopped working. I think it gave up. Oh, my phone gave up? No, it didn't. Oh my god, it like decided not to work anymore. What the fuck? No, leave me alone. Decided not to work anymore. Okay. I need to connect it again. Just died. Died for no reason. Okay, cool. Then it's back. Okay, it's back. Cool. No video format. First question is, where is it going? If it's going with FFmpeg, because why? Let's see. Breakpoint. Source. Paths. Path the source. Name. Oh no. Okay, what about the source? I think that's better. Cache LAN. Wait, why am I setting cache? I don't think I should be doing that. I mean, it's a good idea, but no. I don't like this at all. Straight up should matter. With there you go. Wait, it's broken as fuck. Resolution. Alright, and then I have this modulo crap. Return 1. Happy. Oh, now it's even worse. What the fuck happened here? Oh, that's actually not good at all. It's terrible in some weird sense. I don't understand what broke there. Is the other way around? There's no way it's the other way around. Why is it the other way around? It makes no sense. It's also broken. There you go. Cool. Absolute camera. Alright, I need to test this. How do I test this? It's a bit hard to test. I mean, I can push it. I need to test it. I want to test it, but not today. I mean, not now. Not today. Wait, my shit. Oh, da? Da. Alo. Alo, da.
Nu știu dacă ai văzut pe aceste Messenger.
Nu, n-am văzut.
Întreb dacă vrei prăjitura ca să mănânci cena acum sau după sesiune, pentru că altfel noi nu mai trecem pe acasă și nu cred că o să avem acces la frigider. Și în caz că nu vrei, poți să trec mâine să iau, doar să știu dacă să cumpăr acum sau nu.
Nu știu, ideea că nu mi-e neapărat foame acum, dar aș mânca ceva dulce că merg la sală.
Dacă bine, atunci ia dacă vrei să mănânci.
Dar cât de mare e? Că și asta contează, că dacă e doar gen...
Ce e de ruladă?
E sub 100 de grame?
Nu, e 100 de grame.
100 de grame. Bine, ia.
Bine, bine. Hai,
Bine, pa, pa, pa. Eu o să plec cam 10-15, 20 de minute, ce maxim. Okay. Why is this broken here? Hold up. They make something. Oh, it's a piling issue. Alright. New line missing on VRE video. Alrighty. Webcam. Pick webcam. Blah blah blah. Yeah, so obviously the main question I have is how the fuck do I test this? Can I write a fake device? Fake webcam device. Maybe I shouldn't care that much. I mean, it's a small hack. But it's a hack that allows me to streamline everything. Was this an issue? Because maybe I have some stuff here that's not piling it happy. No, it's okay, so everything's piling happy. You know what? We don't wait here. So that means now, in theory, I should be able to connect everything finally. So that means if I go to VRE streaming, let's see, is it still here? It's still here, great, cool. I should be able to do the following. And I thought about it, and maybe the smartest thing would be for me to allow standard input to VRE streaming. Yeah, but then I need to know the resolution and all of that. Yeah, maybe standard input is better, because you can get standard input easier than that. Yeah, okay, that's reading from a device. Maybe reading from a device, but getting standard input is more portable for sure. So let's put that as an issue here. New issue. Standard input frame reader should be more portable for webcam stuff, but not only. Yeah, because you can like stream somehow. So maybe I can use FFmpeg to read from the device and output to standard output, which then, yeah, because it's basically what I'm doing there. But so I need to like pass this stuff somewhere, which I need to do today also. Yeah, I think this works, and I kind of need to improve my CLI stuff anyway, because right now there's no so around here, not this in VRE video here, I don't have, I mean I have reader KW args, but this is no reader KW arg anywhere around here, so this doesn't matter. because I don't pass anything to the video wrapper. Here I would need to, so this thing needs to have better CLI. Actually, yeah, it needs to have better CLI. Okay, so anyway, I have VRE streaming. So let's go to VRE streaming code, machine learning video. For example, VRE is. So now, in theory, I should be able to do the following amazingly. And if I do that, I can do like the worst. I can VRE stream myself to the VRE player. Yeah, that's terrible. Anyway, so I can do this test video, save VFF play. So now I can do this. Well, I mean, I could do this today, right? And it would work. And it's like 8 FPS. Yeah, we know. Question is, can I change the this to be dev video 9? And does it just work? No, it doesn't. I typoed. Because I'm using the shitty keyboard. Does this work? Looks like it should work. Well, let's see. It may actually fail somewhere. Batch size is larger than... Where is my crap? I think I got some errors. I don't know, it's just... frames to process here. It's because of frames, it's because of length. I need to put the length to 1 here. 1. And this one shouldn't care. Why is it frames to process 0? Oh, make it 1. 1. Why is it frames to process 0? See that's a bit annoying actually. Because it's in make batches, and make batches is called length frame shape 1. What? How is frame shape 1? What's frame shape 1? Should be better. Frame shape. Frame shape, and frame shape is this stuff. Somewhere something doesn't work. Well, it's my code. Somewhere in my code something doesn't work. This is make batches crap here. It's okay because it's trying to do the this LAN video thing. Okay. And somehow this is not happening. Probably should have done that. Oh, it's this stupid thing here. Oh my god. Hello. This is terrible. I do that. It's because I want to process multiple frames at once. Okay, and that means that's it. Where is my shit? Just doesn't do it. Bro, give me my data. Bro doesn't give me my data. Wait, maybe this failed again. Oh yeah, it failed again. Alright, this is just my phone doing stuff on me. Alright, let's get it back. Okay, so this dies and it like doesn't care, it dies, just dies. Okay, this just dies. Okay, so I'm here. Can it work? What's that? No, don't. Fuck. Alright, so let's try the moment of truth. Does it work? Self. Oh, that's an error. It's an error if I've ever seen one. It's an assertion in my code. And the assertion in my code is because I think, what the fuck? Oh, I think I know what happens over there. It's an issue with this bad boy. Yeah, I think IX is supposed to be, yeah, it's a get one frame kind of thing. It's supposed, yeah. Basically that's the issue. If is instance x list certain x cannot have batches in webcam x got frame equals frame no, I think code machine learning implementation examples VRE streaming. Come on, sir. There you go. Come on. It is. I'm there. Look at me. It's a fucking webcam. Yeah, that's it. I am. It doesn't work at all. It's terrible. But look at it. It's real time segmentation for whatever. I'm just happy. Fucking A. Oh, look, it like crashed. Why did it crash? How come it crashed? What crashed? Did you crash? Are you the crasher? Bro, it gave me ads. Continue. I got ads on my app. Fuck. Anyway, that was the best it can do. Something crashed. I don't know what. Maybe it's just, I don't know, it totally crashed. And not just that it crashed. Oh, no, fuck. So the app itself just crashes. Occasionally crashes. But doesn't matter because I have this, okay? There you fucking go. It straight up works. Yeah. Like, whatever can you do now? Yeah, I'm a fucking drone. Like, what the fucking... Fuck yeah.
Cool. I mean, I have other models, but this one's just funny because this is the only real-time one I have. Cool. I guess that's the end of the stream. It works. I can commit this crap. I should like document it, right? README in can I? No, I cannot. I need to create a device in order to do that. I cannot stream this, but I think I can add it to OBS as a window.